This is demo 3, where we want to display the digital dam in a coastal area. First of all, we want to change the display. This is your standard display, so we want to have 1. So we zoom into Europe. Let's zoom a little bit further to here, this area, and let's put in there, for instance, the main sea surface height map. Actually, it's called. And then we add for the, in this case, we add for the Netherlands the digital dam, the digital elevation model. Zoom into any further. We'll see that here is a little bit further. Oh. So what we can do now is take this box and highlight. We have now a screen where we have to fill in some data. Our dam is from 2010, and we want, for instance, calculate a new dam for 2100. So we fill in here 2100, and you can have to choose if you want to geology or a geodetic approach of the calculations. At this moment we have only a geodetic approach, so that's the only choice to have. What we do in a geodetic, we have our dam and then we multiply for each year the deformation to the dam. So that's your digital dynamic dam. What you all can do is make a difference map. Then you only calculate the deformation to the multiplied by the years, and that you will visualize. It's also possible. So if you push on the calculation, then there will be a process that calculates a new grid. And if you take here the legenda, you can see what's actually hides this new dam. That's a polygon approach, which results in a grid. You have also the possibility of taking one point. If you I'm not sure where I'm picking, but it will be there. So you take for the same year, 2100, for 1 point you want to have your new calculated dam. And then it's going to calculate. Depends on the amount of data we have to process. What you will see is here two lines actually. The first line is the historic data we have from PSI. 15 years of PSI data is displayed here for that point. And after that we have here the new calculated dam for 2100. And it's the end of demo 3.